Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to tie your waist beads the right way the first time. This is where we're going to start right here. This is where I'm going to separate to tie my beads. I am going to place it like this, pushing the top one on the bottom. I am going to bring the bottom one over and under. Pull. We're gonna do it one more time. Over and under. Make sure you get all those beads and pull. Now I can cut off the extra. So I'll take it and cut right here. Make sure you still hold the middle also of your beads while you're doing this, because you don't want them to fall out. So here's the excess. You should have a string like this left, and then we still have this side. So while you're cutting, leave your hand right here on the knot of where you tied. I am going to slide off the extra beads off of the second strand. Now you should have two strands like this. So we're gonna do something called a sailor's knot. Right over left, left over right. Pull each time in between to tie it tightly. So, pull. Right. Pull tight. Now we're gonna do left. Pull tight. One more time. Right. Pull tight. One more time. So you can tie it about 5 or 6 times. So once you have this extra string, it is secured. You will take your scissors then. So here, right above the knot. Clean cut. This is your waist beads. You can take a lighter and cut and burn just a little knot if it's uncomfortable to you or you feel like it's a problem. All right, now you know how to tie your own waist beads. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, be sure to email me at adornyourself247@gmail.com. Also, like my Facebook page, Adorn Yourself 247. Thank you again, and don't forget to adorn yourself and stay beautiful. Bye.